All right, my friends, welcome to April. My name is Caroline Lee. I'm a wellness advocate with doTERRA, and I'm going to go over everything you need to know about what is free, what is new, specials, things that you don't want to miss in the world of doTERRA. So come join me. All right, first up on the dock is our 10% off product, which doTERRA has as Tri-Ease soft gels. So this will be a discounted price of $25.20, 21.6 PV for our wholesale members. And retail, it will go down to $33.60. And that is why supplies last. So let's talk a little bit about what Tri-Ease is and maybe why you would like to get this 10% off product. So, do you struggle with sneezing or scratchy throats or leaky eyes this time of year? I know I have, as we live in Georgia. We have yellow pollen everywhere. And so when I'm outside for any extended period of time, I am feeling one of those three things. So we love this one that's going to help protect against seasonal and environmental elements in this springtime. It's going to help with clear breathing and healthy respiratory function. So it is definitely needed for this one. It has a combination of an equal ratio of lemon, lavender, and peppermint essential oil in a pre-made soft gel. So you don't have to make it this yourself. You're going to take 1 to 2 drops of soft gels as needed per day. For me, I just need one until the pollen passes. But what makes this so great is the lemon in this combination. The limonene supports a healthy inflammation response, and that's what research has been showing. And so when you ingest lavender, it's going to calm and soothe, and then peppermint is going to support and clear that breathing. So it's a perfect combination for use at home or on the go. So I know for me, I have some in my car in case I'm out and about hiking and it's starting to bother me. So I did write the top 10 reasons for Tri-Ease. Think about it. Like maybe you're going to cleanse the body and clean things out. Maybe you need help with breathing. Maybe you don't want to do your own soft gel with the lemon, lavender, and peppermint. It's convenient because it's already pre-made. Um, and you can support your respiratory function anytime you need it with this. So just don't let this pass by. This is wise while supplies last, and there are 60 capsules in each container. All right, so now we're going to move on to the product of the month. This is for our loyalty rewards program participants. When you place an order of 125 point value or more before April 15th, you can do it on April 15th, but I recommend before. I'm really excited about this one because Citrus Twist is an exclusive blend. It's not normally sold. And so you will get this amazing blend for your diffuser for free. And I'm so excited because this is definitely one that I really, really love. So when you think about the oils in this blend, why are they so powerful? So we have wild orange that's going to elevate your mood and help you focus. Litsea is going to rejuvenate. It's going to give you some more energy. Ginger is going to help give you a sense of equilibrium and empowerment. And lemongrass that brings clarity and wards off negativity. So as we get in the change of season and we want to start spring cleaning and take care of things in our homes, we can do that by adding the scent to our diffuser. So we can also make things like linen mists. So as I'm spring cleaning on my list, I definitely do have addressing my mattresses, my bedding and everything. The pillows on the throw pillows on the couches. So this is a really easy recipe that you can use it. So obviously we know we can diffuse Citrus Twist, but you can make a linen mist spray super easy to help refreshen and just make it a little bit different and light. So here are some diffuser recipes. I know These are amazing ones if you wanted to just kind of up your game. So citrus twist is great by itself, but just adding a little bit other oils to it makes it fun, different combinations. So I know I've tried the fruity pebbles. My kids like that one. Um, you can also try the harvest spice. I'm a spice girl, so I really like that one. And anyway, so just take a screenshot for this so you, when your oil comes in, you know what combinations you can spice it up as well. Let me see if there's anything else I want to say about this. Nope, I think that's it. We'll go ahead and go on to the next. All right, for a limited time now. So we last month we introduced this new pomegranate cherry flavor advantage, and it is still available. However, they've changed it to where you can customize and save option. So this is kind of like when you go to add Lifelong Vitality or the Daily Nutrient Pack in there, you can actually add additional supplements at a reduced cost. This is adding to the mix so that you can add the Advantage Palm Cherry flavor to the custom and save option, and then you can add other things to it, or you can do your LLV and then add this flavor. So this is while supplies last. So if it does disappear and we sell out, then it will get substituted with the original Advantage flavor. So just let you know that this is available. You can customize and save on this limited time offer product. So super excited about this. I've had great reviews on this. Everybody's really enjoyed and they want this to be a permanent product. All right, let's talk about some new kit options where you can bundle and save. So doTERRA has now listened to our request and we can get our favorites at a discount. So these are just kits where if you're going to purchase this and you want to get all of these yummy products together, you can save. So this on the left, it's the wild strawberry package, and that includes the Recharge wild strawberry, the MetaPower Advantage collagen, the lemon lime flavor, and the PB Assist satchels. So you'll get all three of those for $150. If you're a wholesale member, it's going to save you about $7-8. You could have a limit of 2 of these per month. The one on the right is going to just be the Recharge lemon lime flavor with the lemon orange advantage and the PB Assist satchels. So again, you're going to be saving about $7-8 in this when you're bundling and saving it. So just FYI with that, because it's a exciting new thing that doTERRA is going to be offering. All right, let's talk a little bit about business, new things. So this is a limited time offer that doTERRA has done. We've got some new products that we're sampling a little bit more. So doTERRA in the DMK, the digital marketing kit, they have put up these new trifolds. So when you give a sample of the Serenity system or the MetaPower Advantage, the PB sticks, any of the Advantage the MetaPower product line, you will be able to just print out the trifold and give that with your sample. So this is pretty exciting to be able to have access to these beautiful forms as well. So we are very, very excited about that. All right. We also have a reformulation and rebrand on the Mito 2 Max. I was actually able to try this at leadership, and I really love this. So just kind of to explain what is happening. So they're rebranding. So you can see the bottles look different. They're going to put a different type of label. It's going to go along with the MetaPower family system. And you're going to see kind of a little bit of a change in the way that it looks. And then they did switch around some of the products that are in there. So the MetaPower Mito 2 Max now will include ingredients such as PQQ, and I'm going to try to say these, endodictyon and califormicillin. I'm going to spell it for you. ERIODICTYON, and then CALIFORMICUM. So just know that those are been added to, and this helps provide immediate and sustained energy without the caffeine and the synthetic ingredients that are in most energy products. So they've also removed the ashwagandha. It is an amazing, powerful, and effective product, but the primary benefit is better if we move that into things like the adaptive. And so they've just kind of moved that over to the adaptive line. So just note that this has some amazing new ingredients in there. So that's the reformization of it. And then it's going to look a little bit different. So the reasons to use Mito2 Max still is great. It's going to help with the mitochondria, the energy in the cells. It's going to help reduce feelings of fatigue and stress. It's going to not have the caffeine and the simple stimulants in there. It's going to help promote healthy circulation, improve your mental energy, and enhance stamina. So it's going to be great to be using, especially if you need some extra help in that area. All right, so if you have been participating in the Healthy 100 orders in February, and you've now placed an order last month in March, you will receive your 100 PV points in April. So just FYI, look for that if you participated in that program. So that's why I wanted to let you know that that is coming with that as well. Okay, and let's see. I think that is it. We're going to talk a little bit about the Refer Friend program. If there's any products here that you absolutely love and you're a wholesale customer, you can use that quick link to share with your friends and family, and they can purchase through your link, and you will be able to get some kickback. doTERRA will reward you with points that you can redeem. And you can also give your friends and family free memberships with that link too as well. So it's kind of a great way as just a referring, like you don't do it as a business, but you can get a free product in referring your friends and family. So I do want to make sure that you know that. Now, if you're not a customer yet, you can scan this QR code and become one and choose something to get you started. This will waive that fee for you through my Refer for a Friend program, and you'll be able to enjoy a year of membership with doTERRA. All right, I think that's all I have for the month of April. So make sure that you don't miss out on our 10% off, our free product of the month, the limited time flavors and kits that are now available. Maybe you want to try that new MetaPower Mito2 Max or those new bundle and save kits. With that, my name is Caroline Lee. Keep oiling, and I will see you next month.